hope you like spaghetti. So, thanks again for coming so late. I hope you're not too starving. Want some water? I hope you're hungry and I hope you like spaghetti. Who says late night meals can't be spaghetti? It's like my favorite. I make a really good spaghetti, and this time I made it with meatballs, so I hope you like meatballs. I just love how you let me cook for you. Oh yeah, and the meatballs are cheese stuffed. Just look at that, so good. Hope you brought your appetite. You like it? I think this color really suits me, I don't know. I know I'm not all like dressed up for a dinner date, and I hope that's okay. It's just, it's been so hot out lately and it's late and we're at home, so. Glad I made it with meatballs this time. Feels special because it's my first time making meatballs. Especially cheese stuffed ones. So, how was your day today? I just love, hearing about what goes on in your day, so you tell me, I will eat and listen. You've had an interesting day. Well, I hope this spaghetti dinner makes up for that kind of a day you had. I made garlic bread too, so, well, I didn't make it. I put it in the, I apparently also rip it apart, but I put it in the pan and fried it up, so nice toasty garlic bread. I'm getting all messy. So, do you have anything planned for tomorrow? Well, as for me, tomorrow I have to go to work, which sucks because I was really enjoying my weekend. Especially this little dinner date with you. It's been really nice. No, yeah, I have work. That's about it. And then I come back home. Maybe I'll make dinner. I don't know. Why don't you tell me your favorite meal? Who knows? I might even cook it for you one night. We could have dinner. You bring the wine. And I cook you dinner. Whatever your little heart desires, your favorite dish. Who knows? We might make it happen. I hope you're enjoying yours as much as I am. Because I don't mean to brag, but I think I'm a pretty decent cook. Oh, and you know how these meatballs actually taste really good? Would you believe that they're actually chicken? They're not beef. They're chicken meatballs. I like them better. No one ever notices. I always cook with chicken instead of beef, so. You sure make me smile. So, what would your ideal date with me be? What would we do? Would we have dinner like this? Would I make your favorite meal? Would you take me out on an adventure? We're just gonna Netflix and chill? What would your ideal date be with me? I sure love the way you think. I'm stuffed. How about you? I sure had a good evening with you. I'm glad we got to spend it together. I really hope you enjoyed it. You know I love cooking, especially for you. So I hope we can do this again sometime. I hope you do too, because, you know, it's fun. I hope you enjoyed this date night with me. I had a really good night. You ready for dessert?